Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Lamborghini Huracan drawing. First, let's lay down the foundational shapes. Start by lightly sketching the car's overall silhouette, focusing on its low and wide profile. Use simple geometric forms, like a long, flat rectangle for the main body and smaller ovals for the wheel arches. This initial step is crucial for establishing the correct proportions and dynamic stance of the Huracan, ensuring your drawing looks authentic from the very beginning. Don't press too hard, these are just guidelines. Now, let's refine those initial shapes into the Huracan's iconic form. Begin to define the sharp, angular lines that characterize its aggressive design. Focus on the distinctive Y-shaped headlights and taillights, which are key visual identifiers. Carefully outline the prominent air intakes and vents along the sides, as these contribute significantly to its aerodynamic profile. Remember, precision in these details will bring your drawing to life, capturing the essence of this powerful supercar. Next, we'll focus on the wheels and some interior elements. The Huracan's wheels are a crucial part of its aggressive look, so draw them large and detailed, including the brake calipers. Pay close attention to the intricate spoke patterns of the alloy rims, as these add a lot of character. Lightly sketch the basic outline of the interior visible through the windows, perhaps a seat or dashboard hint. Finally, add subtle reflections on the glass surfaces to give a sense of depth and realism. For our final steps, let's bring your Huracan drawing to life with shading and finishing touches. Apply shading to create depth, emphasizing the car's sculpted contours and aggressive lines. Use varying pencil pressure to achieve different tones, from deep shadows under the car to lighter reflections on its body. Add small, precise details like the Lamborghini badge, door lines, and subtle panel gaps. Finally, carefully erase any remaining guidelines to present a clean, polished masterpiece. You've done it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.